Okay guys, so this is my Galaxy tablet that I've mounted in my car. It is a tablet from Samsung, but what I've done is I've gone ahead and removed my stereo, and this pretty much fitted right in. To boost the audio, I put in a separate external amplifier in the trunk and just ran the audio cable to the unit. So this is like the home screen, and why I've done this is real simple. It's basically, the tablet is $250. It has a built-in GPS, built-in camera, a whole bunch of features right off the bat. It runs the Android operating system. So let me show you what I've done and the apps that I'm using to replace various stuff. Now, obviously, everybody uses a stereo system, so I've used TuneIn Radio. Now, the beauty of this is you can go to like presets, local radio, and then subcategories down here like music, talk. So if I hit local radio, and this is also all using the internet connection on the tablet, and as you can see, it uses the GPS to figure out where I am, and it basically gives me all the radio stations right here. So I can actually click on this, and it loads. And in a second, it should come up with the music once it starts to stream. So there you go. I mean, that's the radio app, and of course, being an internet connection, I'm not going to fade out if I'm on a long trip or anything. So let me go back to the main screen here. For my main music, I decided rather than load music onto the system, which you can do, I use Rhapsody. It's a subscription service, but it gets me access to pretty much any music out there. You can hit search, you can search by artist, album, track, whatever. You can create playlists. Oops, I went out of it. So my playlists are right here. And see, there's cashier right there, so I can hit that. And there's all the music. I can play a particular one. But it takes a second to load up, and we should get the music. Now the beauty of this is on your computer at home, you can create playlists using Rhapsody or anywhere, and it's instantly updated on the one in the car. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. You can create playlists anywhere. Your friends can. I give my Rhapsody access to all my friends, and they create playlists. So when they come in the car with me, they can actually... Yeah, they've got playlists already. Obviously, navigation. Now, the good thing about the navigation is it also uses Google Maps and the satellite information. So it comes up with the mapping information and everything like that. Not sure. There it goes. So it actually overlays Google Map information on there. It uses voice and everything. I've got this program here because I listen to podcasts. So I've got this automatically downloads the podcast that I subscribe to. I've got Buzz Out Loud, a lot of tech podcasts in here. So I can listen to that, yeah, if I wish. I've got my email is right here. So if I click on this, so here's all my email stuff right here, and I can pull that up, and my email is right here. I can reply to it or anything like that. So very useful. I've got Around Me, which is a really good app. You can type in the name of a store like Target, and it'll show you where the nearest one is and send it over to the navigation app. Gasbuddy is really good. What this does is it figures out where you are using GPS and shows you the local gas stations with prices. So very, very useful. There it goes. So you see I've got 355 is the nearest one, and that's at Hess, which is about 2 miles away from where I am. Obviously, WeatherBug Now this shows you weather, but it also runs in the background. So if there's like rain coming, it'll like put up a little exclamation mark and warn you about that. Remember, this is Android, so it can use any Android app. I've got Twitter, Facebook on here, voice search, which is really useful. Find me the nearest McDonald's.